In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an invoice using FreshBooks. Sending invoices is a critical part of managing your business, and FreshBooks makes it a straightforward process. Let's dive into each step to ensure you're comfortable and confident with using this tool to streamline your billing routine. The first step in sending an invoice through FreshBooks is to open the specific invoice you wish to send. This might seem straightforward, but it's important to make sure you're selecting the correct invoice to avoid any potential confusion later on. Whether you've just created the invoice or you're revisiting one from your files, a careful approach will ensure the client gets the right information every time. Once you have the invoice open, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you will find the More Actions button. When you click on this, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting several options. What you want to do is select Send by Email. This feature is designed to make your workflow seamless, allowing for easy communication with clients without having to leave the FreshBooks platform. Now, your next task involves reviewing the email that has been pre-populated with the invoice details. FreshBooks automatically formats this email for you, incorporating all necessary invoice details to ensure your client is well informed. However, this is a great opportunity to personalize the message. If there are any specific notes or remarks that would add value or context to the invoice, feel free to add those in now. Remember, the personal touch can go a long way in maintaining good client relationships and minimizing back-and-forth queries. Once you are satisfied with the email content, it's time to complete this process by clicking the Send Invoice button. This action will initiate the email to be sent to your client, finalizing the communication loop. FreshBooks takes care of the rest, dispatching your invoice directly to the client's inbox, where they can easily review it, make payment, and you can track this entire process through FreshBooks' built-in invoicing tools. Using FreshBooks for your invoicing needs can save you time and reduce the errors associated with manual submissions. By utilizing its email features, you can ensure prompt delivery and quicker payments from clients, keeping your business operations smooth and efficient. That wraps up our tutorial on how to send an invoice using FreshBooks. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you simplify your billing processes. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on managing your business with FreshBooks.